Gala, which is only held every 5 years, will be an unforgettable evening of elegance, of networking, and recognition. We will celebrate the remarkable achievements and enduring spirit of Houston's business community.
Certified MBAs in Houston region generated a staggering 14 billion, yes, billion, in economic activity. Overall, the data underscores the significance of the Council's work empowering and supporting minority-owned businesses through certifications, education, and advocacy. Clearly, MBAs are a vital financial impact in driving economic prosperity and fueling the growth of our great city.
For all of the businesses in this room, let me salute you. Our job is to support you, and I hope that the next mayor will understand the meaning of diversity and inclusion, not just in terms of where you live, but in terms of the business that you do.
HMSDC is one of my first places I go when I'm looking for diverse suppliers. It's a great resource, great database, and great partnership with the office to help us find those vendors and suppliers to help us meet our needs.
So this 50th anniversary event was stellar. It was stellar because just looking around to see all of the faces from years past, to see the testimonials on the screens for those who blazed the way, and then just to be around the energy of so many excited MBEs about 50 years. So thank you for 50 years of devotion to minority business development, 50 years of family, 50 years of caring, 50 years of passion, and I know that the next 50 years will be as wonderful as the first 50.